Hi there, Avi here with Visualize the Kanji. This is the intro video. If you'd like to start learning kanji right now, just skip ahead to the Lesson 1 video. If you'd like some background info on kanji, the learning methodology in this series, or about me, you can listen in on this intro video first. So let's start off with what kanji are. Kanji are Japanese characters which originated in China, and some of those characters were pictograms. This means we have characters that can look like the things they represent. There are currently 2,136 official standard use characters. In Japan, about half the characters are taught in primary school, and the other half are taught in secondary. These characters form a literacy baseline. So, what do I mean by visualizing the kanji? In this series, we're going to use imagery and mnemonics to remember how to read and write the characters. It works really well because imagery and mnemonics take up little memory and stick really well. So, what is the key takeaway in this series? By following along with these videos, you'll be able to write and understand a set of very common, useful characters, and you'll also get a great tool set for mastering more Japanese or Chinese characters if you choose to continue learning on your own. This series would complement a Japanese 101 course at college or even high school. Also, if you speak a little Japanese but can't read or write, it'll also be fantastic for you. Those who can already read or write Japanese proficiently won't find these videos so useful. So, a little bit about my background. I started learning Japanese in college, and I studied abroad twice and had a fantastic time. I'd been studying Japanese for about 6 years, but I still couldn't read or write kanji. I would study a few only to forget them days, if not hours later. Eventually, I found a book called Remembering the Kanji by a man named Heisig. I'll link below to that book. And I also started using what's called Spaced Repetition Software, or SRS. I'll link to that below as well. These two resources made a huge difference in my ability to learn the characters, and it only took me about 6 months to learn the standard use characters. Once I was able to read and write the characters, I could learn vocabulary faster, and I was reading manga, books, newspapers, websites, the very thing I'd wanted to do all these years. So it's been about 3 years since I learned to read and write. I'd really like to share what I learned, not just about the technique, but also how fun it is to write and memorize kanji. Some people might wonder what order I'll introduce the characters in. So you know, I've ordered the kanji by complexity, meaning, and difficulty, with a mind towards a natural flow, one character building towards the next. I've only included useful, common characters, so no rare characters here. With that said, if you have any comments or questions, please post below, and I'd be happy to answer them. Good luck in your kanji journey, and have fun!